Welcome to FIU's Institutional Effectiveness TracDat tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to log in to TracDat, our assessment management system, and the basic functions of the site. First, you open your browser. You type in tracdat.fiu.edu. The best browsers to use with TracDat are Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. Today I'm using Chrome for demonstration purposes. Once you type in your address, you can enter your email account. Press Next. Enter your password. And then you reach the home page. If you have trouble logging in and reaching the screen, or you do not have access, please send an email to one of our team members or to our departmental email, which is assessment@fiu.edu. In the home site, you'll see several options. First, you'll see the summary of what the portal is about. On the right-hand side, you see the assignments that you can access from TracDat. And below, you see icons indicating different areas of the actual site. The first one is going to be the assessment portal. You click on that in order to go to see your reports and edit your reports. Then Standard PO Dashboards is a portal that takes you to student and program metrics that may be relevant to your program outcomes if you have a program or certificate. Portal Instructions provides you with links to the instructions that we have for this particular interface. And Contact Assistance allows you to see the team member contact information for our department. Let's click on the assessment portal icon. Once you're there, it'll take you to the website that will be the last one you visited. You can look at the search screen, which is the very top bar, and type in the program that you want to get to. In this case, I'm going to use elementary education. As you can see, the home page has several components to it. At the top is the navigation bar that can be accessed at any time to change the report that you'll see. On the left, there's a navigation menu, and there's a main window which contains the information for that particular site. The bell icon allows you to see how many pending assignments you have. In the content area, the first page you see will be the summary of the report. It lists how many outcomes you have active, the methods associated with them, results, user results for improvements, and follow-ups. Any part of this is clickable, so it will take you to the specific area depending on the number or word that you click on. On the left navigation screen, the first button is going to be the home button. It returns you to this page that you see upon typing in the report you want to see on the navigation bar on top. Assessment unit, once you click on it, it expands. General information states the unit's name and the mission. Assignments allows you to view and distribute the assignments for that particular report. Personnel lists all the people who have access to this specific report, and it does take some time to load. In the personnel icon, you can see everyone who has access to your report. This includes people from our team that you might not know. Assessment planning expands to assessment plan and results. Assessment plan gives you access to the outcomes and methods from your report. To view more information, you can click on the arrows to expand each area. Clicking the arrow again will allow you to hide the information once again. When either viewing assessment plans or assessment results, you can click on the top 4 navigation icons, which provide more information. The green question mark icon displays information about the site, including what each of the different buttons and icons mean, and more information about how to use the system according to the developer of the software. In order to minimize it, you can click on the X, or you can click again on the button that you pressed on. For the purple button, it is already normally selected. It gives you information regarding instructions for that particular site. In this case, it says to access templates and email our department in order to be able to add content to this particular area. The orange button is going to take you to the activity log. The activity log lets you know who has entered information, what the dates were, what type of information was edited or modified or deleted, and it actually lets you see the information once you type the link. This allows for an easy way to revert to previous versions of the report. The filter icon allows you to filter the view that you see below, and that means that you can only see active or archived outcomes, or change the assessment methods and show inactive methods. Let's take you out of there and show you the results page. The results page will show you all of the results, user results, and follow-ups that have been entered for that particular program. Back to the navigation menu, mapping graphically links all of the learning outcomes that you have to particular courses or competencies. In the case of outcomes mapping, all of your learning outcomes are going to be mapped to particular competencies, and here you see the check marks indicating which ones. Curriculum map will show you which of the outcomes are associated with each of the different courses in your program and whether they were assessed, introduced, or reinforced in that particular course. These only will be visible for student learning outcomes, so they will not be relevant to other areas or other types of reports. And these areas are most complete for undergraduate degrees that have already completed most of these requirements. The reports icon expands into standard reports. When you click on it, you can see academic learning compacts, which is a report submitted to the Florida Board of Governors as a compliance regulation. This is only available for student learning outcomes for undergraduate degrees. Assessment plan shows you only the outcomes and methods for the unit. Assessment report shows a 4-column report that contains all of the data in the report, including results and user results. Under course reports, you see course list. This displays all of the program courses and is only available for undergraduate student learning outcomes. Under mapping, you have curriculum map, Excel format, and curriculum map PDF format. These are, again, only available for undergraduate student learning outcomes and show a printable version of the curriculum map linking the learning outcomes to the different courses in the program.